Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, listen, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Canva app to make your YouTube thumbnail, or you can even use this app to make Facebook posts, all kind of stuff. So let's get into it. Let's go into the Canva app. Now, I use the Canva Pro, so mine might look a little different than yours. But let's go into the, okay, so from here you can actually go to different like Instagram posts, stories, posters, social media, flowers, menus, YouTube thumbnails. Alright, so let's go into the hummingbird file, which I already started designing, and I'll kind of show you a little bit of how I brought this to the page and how to upload some of the stuff. Alright, so if you go to uploads, you'll see my designs. If you notice that some of these, if you watch my other video, I will show you how to cut out images on the background eraser app. That way you can use these images to make thumbnails and Facebook pages, posts, stuff like that. So you can upload videos. You can upload videos, but you can also upload pictures any kind of pictures to create logos. But anyway, let's go back to the template. And as you see, I individually uploaded all these hummingbirds. I placed them. I got my hummingbirds logo on the bottom, and I have a vinyl siding in the background. And you might be wondering why I have a vinyl siding, but it's I recorded my GoPro with these hummingbirds against my vinyl siding, so I kind of want to use it. So basically, I found my background, and I'm gonna take it, expand it out, and let's go to the bottom. Let's go to position, and we'll position it all behind it, just like that. That way, it's got kind of like a flower background. And also you can take it in transparency, you can move it so it's like that, or completely like that, which still looks good. But I'll kind of do it, which that looks good, but I'll kind of do it like this just to get a little more feature, maybe like that. So anyway, you can click on each picture, and just like this picture here, you can actually take it. I can move him behind the hummingbird image or back and front, and I could do the same thing with all these images. So this is how you can create a YouTube thumbnail by using Canva. I love using this app, and there's all kind of stuff you can use on here. On the bottom, let's see, click it. There's all kind of stuff on the bottom, effects. There's all kind of stuff you can use. You can even make videos on here. It's all kind of different features. But anyway, thank y'all for watching on how to make a thumbnail. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. That way you can see future videos. I plan on using another app to create my YouTube videos. And subscribe to my channel, and eventually I will create that video to show y'all how to make YouTube videos on your phone. And I'm trying to build my channel up. And thank y'all for watching. God bless y'all.